Welcome back to our first lesson of Microsoft Excel. In this lesson, we're going to learn about how we can save data in Microsoft Excel. Well, it is very simple. When you add up any data in Microsoft Excel, either it automatically saves it if you turn on autosave, but if you did not use that option, what you're going to do is you have 2 and 3 different methods of saving up your data. Let's say when I add in a couple of data and try to cut it off, you basically see this pop up over here, which tells you if you want to save your changes. But what we're going to do is going to be before, cutting off your spreadsheet, you have this option over here called save. And you also have a specific keyboard shortcut, okay, which you'll be able to save up your data. So when you add in any data, you can either click on it and it will be saved, or you can press on Control S so that that data will be saved in the specific worksheet which you are using. As you can see that I am using 1.xlsx. So when I open this specific spreadsheet, it will give me the exact data which I applied or entered. Okay. Now you can see that when you go off the file, we had 2 of these options called save and save as. Well, the save basically works the same way it does when you press on Control and S and also press on the specific button. But in a save as option, you will basically see that this type of interface opens up, and which is also similar to the one we opened up on open. Okay. So when you press on save as, this helps you to select whichever file or wherever you want to save it to. You can save it on recent, you can save it on your OneDrive, you can save it on your PC, or when you click on browse, you'll be able to select any drive from your PC and then save it up. So you can also click on add a place and also save it on your OneDrive for business or even for your personal use. So when you click on this, select whichever file you have. Let's say I'm going to go off on desktop. So I'm going to go off the desktop and you'll basically see an interface like this. And when you see an interface like this, what you're going to do is find out the specific one you want to use. Let's say I'm going to use this. I'm going to do is find out resources and then save it up. Now you can also save up your type by changing the format of that specific document or even the spreadsheet which you're working on. When you click on it, you'll basically see a lot of formats will appear up. From them, there are, 2 of them are like very used, which are XLSX, which is the default spreadsheet, format. And the other one is PDF. You also have it over here. Select whichever format you want to use and then just save it up. And that specific format will be saved. You can see over here that PDF of 1 has been saved over here and also appearing online. So I'm going to go up to Microsoft Excel, and this is basically how you save up your data in Microsoft Excel. So now let's move on to our next lesson where we are going to learn about the errors of Microsoft Excel and how you'll be able to fix it